Hi guys, it's been a while. So, throughout the years since I first bought my K2V2, I've liked it so far. I think, again, this is my first mechanical keyboard and it has served me very well. However, I have changed. I've modded few things along the line since my first video. Previously I was using Gateron Reds and now I'm using Gateron Pro Milky Yellow, right? And then I've also changed my stabilizers to Durock V2 stabilizers, clip-ons apparently, because K2V2 does not support screw-ins, and that's the downside. However, with the price of this keyboard and with what it has been offered, I think it's a very good investment and it's one of the good ones out there. Okay, talking about this keyboard, there are few things that I like and I dislike. For one, on the cons, I don't like that you cannot use this keyboard without any wrist rest. You have to buy this wrist rest. So currently I'm rocking on Keychron wrist rest thanks to my friend Joseph, who bought it for me for my present, my birthday present. For one reason is because the tip or the edge of this K2V2 is quite high. Beyond that, to be honest, I don't really have any complaints. Maybe another one would be the USB-C port, which is on the left hand side. I would prefer if it's in the middle. Okay, talking about performance of the Milky Yellows, I really love it. As you can hear from the previous sound test, it has a very creamy sound. Okay, this was lubed and also has been filmed. Okay, loops with Krytox 205G0 and also with, if I'm not mistaken, it's Deskey switch pad. Beyond that, I also place a switch pad on the bottom, and also it has been filmed by Deskey film, sorry. Okay, I have not changed my keycaps yet. As you can see, it is still stock. I'm actually targeting for the JWK Oblivion. However, from what I know right now, in Malaysia or in Shopee, we only can get the JWK Oblivion clone. I've yet to look into that. Okay. Other than that, to be honest, I have no regrets in buying this keyboard. However, moving forward, I would love to get myself a Keychron Q1. Okay. It is a 75% keyboard still, and I would really love to try out some anodized metal. Alright. For the feel of this keyboard, it has been modded for so many things. Foam mod, that's one. Switch pad, another one. There's a foam or sound insulator between the plate and also the PCB. There's also the switch itself is lube and also film. I've also made the latest mod that I've did was a Tempest mod. Masking tape behind the PCB, about 2 layers. Any more than that, it has a very difficult time for the keyboard to actually fit into the casing. Other than that, I have nothing else. So by far, this is the maximum amount of modding that I can do in this keyboard. As you can hear from the sound itself, I personally love the spacebar. However, the spacebar has slightly a little bit of rattle on the left side, and I found it's due to my keycaps, and it's not due to the stabilizers. Stabilizers has been tuned, has been looped, the wire has been straightened out, everything has been done well, and I find that I still have a little bit of rattle, especially on this side. Get the mic closer. Right, other than that, I really have no complaints with the K2V2. Personally, if you buy this keyboard, I would suggest you to change the Gateron reds, or maybe loop the Gateron reds, clean it first, film it, and put some PE foam or mod it with foam, case mod. Everything should be fine, and then you'll be happy with your purchase. Thank you very much, and see you guys soon. Ciao.